platform that can help us for web applications, AI, machine learning, as well as lot of other real-time day-to-day operations, including healthcare, banking, finance, and insurance sectors. In our training classes, we have use case scenarios for all these real-world applications. In our Python AI ML training classes, we'll be making sure we understand the actual facts with latest up-to-date scripts. Python is known for its simplicity, cross-platform activities, rich libraries, open source, as well as real-time integrations with other clouds. In our training classes, we'll be taking everything, all these activities in action. With generative AI, autonomous vehicle integrations, healthcare with AI integrations, and fraud detection projects, part of our training classes. With proper roadmap from scratch, from the very basics, I promise you the things would be very much realistic, straightforward, will be useful for your resume and day-to-day job work. Let's get into the actual technical details of our Python with AI ML training program. You may be an engineer or a developer or a scientist or a DevOps person. Everyone, anyone from any stream, our Python detailed course will help you a lot. With our step-by-step unique program, training program, real-time projects, daily assignments, weekly mock interviews, and one-to-one mentorship, I am pretty sure this unique course will help us a lot to beautify our resume. Let's get into the main details about our course curriculum. Onto my screen now. The Python AI ML course curriculum is actually planned for 4 months. We'll be starting with Python concepts, step into Python analytics and programming activities, which is a prerequisite for AI ML. Then comes real-time projects. So we'll start with introduction. We'll be understanding about the detailed architecture, installations, print statement, variables, operators, and data types. We'll be learning about Python lists, dictionaries, tuples, if-else conditions, loops, and file handling concepts. Then step into analytics and programming activities. That includes data frames, database access, transformations, different levels of transformations, functions, and Lambda architecture. Python modules, very important for AI ML concepts. User inputs, try Python dictionary, package exception handling, Python classes and objects, and regular expressions, part of our classes. And the actual technical items, especially project work, requires these multi-threading activities and graphical user interface programs, components, events, loops, functions, and web integrations with IoT. Then we shall move on to Python with AI ML activities, right from the basics, machine learning concepts, ML activities, supervised and unsupervised learning, Python libraries, Python data handling, AI with Python introduction activities, supervised learning and unsupervised learning with examples, including generalized models, tree models, big data, machine learning, NLP, natural language processing, AI in real-world activities, with complete project work resume. We'll take it from scratch to beautify our skill set and the command control at SME level, subject matter expert level, part of this training program. Trust me, this is going to be very useful and user friendly. At the same time, need your support. On time practice required, please. with everyday assignment submissions and weekly mock tests, use case scenarios. With this, we'll stop for now. Let's meet live for an intro, for a demo class. Let's understand more about this beautiful course. You may join for live online, or you may also opt for self-paced videos. The content is same, the notes, the assignments, the project, the case studies, everything remains same, either for live or for self-paced videos. We shall wait for your enrollment. Trust us, this will be a beautiful course for you. A great value for your time and invest. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye-bye.